Hi, thanks for joining me. Today, I want to give you a little recipe for house cleaning. So whatever floors that you have in your home that you can wash, use some ammonia. It smells really harsh. To me, it's like liquid sage. So open your windows. If you have, if you're able to open your doors, your windows, mop your floor using this, or excuse me, using ammonia. And you can put the ammonia in wash the floor washing water like you would anything else. So that's just a wash, and I find that is an all-purpose floor wash that will clean all of that gook out. But the ammonia is really strong, so you want to make sure you open some of the windows, just like you do when you burn sage, and give direction to the stagnant energies or the energies that you want to leave. Use that on your floors, bathroom floors, especially your bathroom floors. Most people never give that kind of attention to the bathroom floor, but the bathroom is where you go at to constantly clean your body and to get rid of waste material. And so you want to do a spiritual type cleansing for your bathroom as well. Use the ammonia on the floor. Use the ammonia on the floors of all of the floors in your home that you are able to. Now, once you do that, and that is done, that takes care of that energy all in and around the home. Then what you want to do is you can use, I know you're going to probably say she's always using Epsom salt, but you can use, I generally use Epsom salt on the outside of the home because it's really nice for the grass and the plant material. But for this, we're not going to use that much where it will harm anything. So you can use, for this, you can use table salt, just ordinary table salt. Doesn't have to be any specific brand. It doesn't have to be any specific type, like sea salt or iodized. It can be either or, doesn't matter. You can grab one, whatever's cheaper. How about that? So Epsom salt, you're going to use this in the home. So you don't need a whole lot, but you're going to need about, it's going to depend on how many windows you have and how generous you want to be. So I'll say 1 to 2 cups of table salt. That's what you're going to need. You're going to need 5 tablespoons of ground sage. And this, you can get out the seasoning section. So if you notice, a lot of the recipes that I give you, I'm trying to give you something that you can easily go to the store and get. Some of the stuff we used to use years ago, it's really hard and difficult to get that. The botanical stores are returning, so it's making it a little easier to get some of the ingredients that we used to use. These are really the only 2 ingredients you need. Mix those ingredients together really, really, really well. While you're mixing those ingredients together, you want to think about your intent that you're infusing in this is to keep your area cleansed and create a barrier so that things cannot come in. Once you mix this really well, go and place this in all 4 corners of your home. It can be an apartment, all 4 corners, whichever 4 corners are the furthest out. And your home may be oddly shaped, it's okay. Just look down the side of the home and determine which one is the furthest out. I mean, if you have, say you have like a bay window or something like that, that's not going to count. You want to go all the way to the outside corners, all 4 corners. And that means one of these dots, one of these corners may be in your garage. That will be fine. Go to the furthest corner outward. the furthest corner that's outward. And that's where you want to place. Just take and sprinkle a pile of it right there in the corner, right? A nice, don't be stingy with it. Put a nice pile right in each of the corners. That's what you're going to do. Then you're going to go to all of your window sills. And you're just going to make a line. So in all four corners, you're going to have a pile. But on the window sills, you're just going to sprinkle a line. And it doesn't have to be a solid line. You can just kind of sprinkle it across. Just sprinkle it across. Sometimes I kind of scatter it and they'll bounce wherever, but it'll be along the window sill. Now it's not going to last there. Lift the window up and sprinkle it in. It's not going to last there because the moisture from the outside is going to cause the salt to dissolve, but that will be fine. I generally put it in the windowsill and then press the window down and close it. And that just helps you. And again, see that that is a line, a wall of protection in each windowsill and inside the four corners of each of your furthest corners of your home. And then lastly, place it along the doorway. You have two doors that entrance doors in and out of your home, place it there. If you have three, place it along the doorway. I also put some along the outside of the garage door. So it's up to you. You can put it along the outside or the inside. It's up to you. But the garage door doesn't have that wide window, that wide area like the windowsill does when you let it up and let it down. So you can either go along the outside of the door, garage door, or the inside of the garage door. It doesn't matter. So all of your doorways, including the garage, plus I'll say garage. And that's the outside garage door. I don't generally put something between the outside, the doorway between the home and the garage because we're constantly going in and out. Most people treat that like an extra room now. So I wouldn't put it in between the doorway of on the doorway that leads between the garage and the home. I will put it on the doorway, the outer doorway of the garage. So however many doorways that you have, sliding glass door, put it in the, open the door, sprinkle it on the outside or the inside because you have the two doors. And usually one is stationary and one is not, but I sprinkle it along the whole track, inside or outside. It's up to you. So you may have several doors leading into your home, entrance doors that lead into your home from the outside. That's where you're going to place that at. So however many doors, that's what you do. That's why I say 1 to 2 cups. And that usually gets it, I guess, an average of 2 doors and a garage. But again, if you have more, then you just double the recipe. That's all. Just double that recipe. Once you mix it, again, put your intent on it. That's what's going to help you, and then sprinkle it. And it's okay that you may need a double batch. It stores very well. If you don't use it all, put it in a Ziploc bag and keep it until you need it. Do it once a month. You're going in and out the door all day, every day. So energies are constantly being transferred inside and outside of your home. So it's okay. These are things that are regular maintenance for your environment. And these are the things that help with your manifestation process also. Remember, little things sometimes can hinder, but these are little things that you do in addition to what you normally do for manifesting. All right, so hope that helps you. If you haven't done so already, hit the like and the subscribe button to show just a little channel love. All right, thanks for joining me. Until next time.